Hi, Harry Dent here with a very big announcement. Look, this year has been a big year for the cryptocurrency market. We've had the institutional adoption of Bitcoin and Ethereum. We've had the Bitcoin halving. On top of this, crypto became a significant topic in the presidential election campaigns, with Donald Trump stating he wants all future Bitcoin to be mined in the US. And now, an opportunity has opened up to potentially make large gains from the cryptocurrency market if you understand crypto cycles. A strategy that allowed over 80,000 people to become millionaires thanks to crypto. It's all thanks to understanding crypto cycles and taking advantage of them. One of them is Troy Harris. He's been following my research on cycles for over a decade, and it allowed him to go from a few $100s to seven-figure gains in the crypto market. The good news is that he's just published a book called Crypto New Rich, and he's allowed me to give it away for free to my subscribers. And I read this book first. The book explains and details the crypto cycles and how to take advantage of them to potentially go from a few $100s to seven-figure gains. You can secure your complimentary copy for a limited time at cryptonewrich.com/download. Again, cryptonewrich.com/download. When you understand how to leverage the power of crypto cycles, you'll be able to make in a few years what it takes people decades to make, and potentially be among the last men standing when the financial system collapses, banks fail, or we witness a huge market crash. Financial experts such as Robert Kiyosaki and Raoul are calling crypto a gift from God for people to end their financial struggles. And you'll understand why when you read Troy Harris' new book. Go to cryptonewrich.com/download and secure your copy now.